Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyan with tutorials. So today in this video we'll see list slicing. Okay, what is slicing in Python? So I have taken a list here. It has around 9 values. So we'll see one by one what is slicing in Python. Okay, so if you print A, it will give you the list here like this. And the first one is start to stop. Okay, A start to stop, item start through stop minus 1. Okay, so let's print these values. So I want to print A1 colon 3. Starting is 1 and stopping is 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, so 1 to 2 means 0, 1, 2. So 3, 5 will come. Okay, like this. And next we'll go for A start colon. A start column is items start through the rest of the array. Okay, let's print the output. So A2 colon means from second index. Okay, 0, 1, 2. So second index all values. Okay, that means 5, 6, 8 through 15. Okay, next one is A colon stop means items from the beginning through stop minus 1. Okay, let's print the outputs. A colon 3 means items from the beginning through stop minus means up to second index 0, 1, 2. So it will print 1, 3, 5. Okay. And the next one is A colon. A colon means copy of whole array. Everything it will copy. So everything is copied and given output. So entire list is printed. Okay. And the next one is there are step also. We can use the step in slicing. So start, stop, then step. Okay. Start through stop minus 1 by step. Okay. For example, 2 colon 8 colon 2 means it will start from second index 0, 1 to second index and it will go up to seventh index. It's the steps of 2. Okay. So second index means 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 means 5, right? And 8 is 7. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. In steps of 2 means let's see the output 5, 8, 11. Right, guys? It is starting from 2 means it's starting from 5 up to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 13 in steps of 2. Steps of 2 means 5, 8, 11. Okay. So that is the meaning of start, stop, and step. Okay. Then we'll go to the next item, that is start or stop may be negative numbers. Okay. It means it counts the end of the array instead of from beginning. Always you remember that if you put minus, they will be considered from the end of the array instead of beginning. Okay. For example, here I want to print a minus 1. What it will do? It will fetch you the last item in the array because minus is from the end. So it will fetch the last item from the list like this 15. Okay. And if I give a minus 2 colon, okay, a minus 2 colon means it will give you last two items in the array. So if you observe, whenever minus is there, I am printing here in comments, I am writing that last. Okay, that means from the end. Okay, so a minus 2 colon means last two items in the array. Let's run and see the output. So it is 15 and 13 and 15. Okay, then we'll go for a colon minus 2. A colon minus 2 means everything except the last two digits. Okay, everything except last two digits. That means what it will print? It will print 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11. Okay, guys. Then we'll go next one. That is step may be negative number, right? So step may be negative number. So all both things was in the positive step, but here we are giving the negative number as a step. Okay. So whenever minus 1 is there at the end, it means that it is reversed. Okay. So all items in the array reversed. So thumb rule is whenever -1 at the end, it means that the list is reversed. So all items in the array are reversed now. Okay, let's see the output. So like this, let me comment out above one and rerun it. So entire list is reversed. Okay, then we'll go to the next one. So this is A1 colon colon -1. That means the first two items are reversed. So wherever -1 is there at the end, it means reversed. Okay. So here positive number is there. That's why first two items. Okay. So 3 comma 1 reversed. Okay guys. Then we'll go for next one. So this is A colon -3 colon -1. That means what? -1 is at the end. That means reversed. And the A colon -3 means the last two items. Okay, guys, let's see the output. Last two items is reversed. That means 15 and 13. Okay, the next one is A -3 colon colon -1. That means everything except the last two items but reversed. Okay, everything except last two items but reversed. That means from 11, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 1. Okay, guys, so this is the meaning of this item. Then we'll go for one more thing. Instead of using start, stop, step, we can use the slice also, which is a keyword in the Python. Okay. So instead of giving start, stop, step, we can give the slice and we can give the inputs as start, stop, and step with the commas. Okay. Here we'll give with the colons. Here we'll use the slides keyword and we'll use the start, stop, and stop with the commas. Start, stop, and step. Okay. So I am printing the above one with this command, and in the bottom I am printing with the slice keyword. Okay. Let's see the outputs. So this is the list, and we are printing starting from the second index, and it is going up to 7 with the steps of 2. Okay, guys. So this is A to Z of slicing in the Python. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhianvi Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.